Hello, today we're doing PHP quickie implode method. Syntax for implode is implode with a separator and your array. Essentially what this does, this takes an array and will turn it into a string. So let's make an array with some words. All right, there's our array. And we want to make a string. And we're going to use implode on this array, but we want one space between every word in the array. So inside the little quotes there is a single space and then our array. Okay, and then we're going to echo out the string. And now we have, once upon a time, Jimmy happened. And in fact, that is true. That did happen. May 1982, very important time in history. Okay. Now the separator, the separator value is optional here. So let's do this again. I'm going to make another string. I'm going to implode that. And we're just going to put array. And then we will echo another string. Okay, as you can see, without a separator, the default just crams it all into one string with no spaces. Once upon a time, Jimmy happened. It's one big word. And that, my friends, is how you use PHP implode. And in case you ever want a PHP compiler without any ads, no muss, no fuss, you can come to phpcompiler.jimmyscripts.com and use this free anytime you want. Thanks. Bye-bye.